All right, Pack, welcome back to another video here on the Dividend Doggo Show on YouTube, and I'm bringing you in for the weekly portfolio review. Whole lot of craziness this week with the market. Holy cow, did it shoot up mid-end of the week due to the inflation news. But let's jump in to the portfolio. You can see that overall this portfolio on M1 Finance is a taxable brokerage account, and it is meant to bridge the gap for early retirement, and it is currently sitting right around $209,000 in total gains. 152,000 of that is market gains, and 56,000 of that, almost 57,000, is earned dividend income. So let's jump in and show you what the week looks like here. So as you can see, every single sector of the pie is green for this week, and it is absolutely wild. So let's go look at finance first. Finance is currently the largest of the pies, just barely. We've got Citigroup up 11% this week, JP Morgan up 3.5%, Bank of America up 4.4%, Bank of OZK up 6%, T. Rowe Price ending the week up 29%. I was just thinking last week about taking this out of the portfolio. I should have slammed a bunch of money into it. Can't predict the future though. Absolutely wild week. And then we have Como Money Pie, which is the SCHD Schwab's Equity Dividend Fund. This is one of my favorite ETFs, and where I've been packing away a lot of money recently. It was up $5,800 or 4.7% for the week, and Berkshire Hathaway was up 7.7% this week. Absolutely staggering across the board here. Then we have consumer. This is Altria, Home Depot, Coca-Cola, Costco, Lowe's, Target, and Pepsi. Now, interestingly enough, Altria was actually down 2% this week. Home Depot up 10.88, Lowe's up 14.75, Costco up 5.6 or 97. Then we've got Coca-Cola up 3.48, Target up 8.58, and PepsiCo down just slightly at 0.41 in the red. Absolutely wild, smashing numbers for the consumer pie almost across the board. Healthcare was up, AbbVie was up 3.3%, but Johnson & Johnson was down 1.3% for the week. Pretty wild. Then utilities, got Vistra up 5.4% for the week, and Duke up 1.67. That is pretty wild. And then we have monthly dividend stocks. We only have BST in here. The owner's rewards pie is gone as of this week. BST is up. I rolled. I'll show you the buys and how that all worked out in just a moment. But BST is up to $8,000. You can see that I did a buy here for this, and it is up 7.19% for the week. So absolutely phenomenal week for the portfolio overall. You can see, I'll bring you out so that you can see the total gains for every category here. And you can see what has made just absolutely smashing amounts of money over the past couple years that this portfolio has existed, since 2019, August 6th, I believe. Yeah. So monthly dividend stocks is still down a little bit overall. It's the only total red when I zoom out to all time right now. However, you can see just across the board, it's pretty beautiful, with healthcare being the highest earning, and utilities being the second highest. Absolutely wild plays that were made there. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to show you, this is what the activity field looks like. And you can see that we had 32 cells, all of the things that were in the owner's rewards pie. That was a total of $600. You can see I added about $2,000 to the portfolio this week, and I did a $2,600 buy on BST this week. This got rid of a lot of stuff. Some of these are decent stocks to hold still. Obviously, I still think that, Waste Management's a good company. Dollar General's been a pretty solid company. Amazon, Starbucks, these are all high quality companies, but I would rather just own them via ETFs than just own them individually here. So, also, these were not large investments. As you can see, a couple of them, like Lyft, only have a few dollars invested. This was only to get the owner's rewards, and now you no longer need that. So, you just get the rewards and it's just flat out. So this was the big buy for the week into BST. This added a total of 82 shares, which is about a third of the position. So then we had one other buy. Costco's dividend rolled in, and I rolled the dividend right into the stock itself. So I wanted to reinvest the dividend in Costco, even though Costco is pretty expensive right now. It is money that came from Costco going right back into Costco stock. So that is the weekly portfolio, how we're doing for the week. As you can see, I did add some money this week, about $2,000. I'm going to try to end this year out buying decent amounts, at least like $1,000 a week until the end of the year. I'm going to try to just focus on a couple of stocks, getting them into the position that I want them to be in ultimately, and kind of going to roll from there and see how things go for the week. Let me know how green your portfolio was for the week. I ended the week just under 5% up at 4.99. So let me know down below in the comments how you did for the week. I don't necessarily like seeing this 5% jump for the week because I was hoping to be able to add some more money into the portfolio for the end of the year. Doesn't mean it'll stay up for next week, but I don't know if we keep getting some good news, it could be just fine for the end of the year. We might see some crazy jump back up at the end of the year that causes a lot of people's portfolios to not be as in the red as they are. So I'm sure a lot of people are pretty happy about it, but I was hoping to be able to buy a little bit more before this started squeaking up like 5% in just a day or two. So thank you all for watching. I do want to say that I appreciate every single one of you that watch these videos, especially if you watch it start to finish. I am going to be working on getting out a few more videos to you guys here in the near future, including the net worth update that I've been working on for a while, but I'm really not sure how to present that to make it seem... because I don't want it to feel gloaty or like, I want everyone to see it for what it is, as me showing you exactly how we're doing with our progress. I don't mean it to be boastful or anything like that. Let me know if you have any suggestions below in the comments on how you would like to see it revealed. If you'd like to see one portion of the portfolio, maybe every video that I do, I'll reveal one segment that you haven't seen. There are only a few, so it would only be a couple videos that you would get all of the information, and then do like one video that covers what everything is that day. Because I can do snapshots of like, what things are, and then just review everything at the very end after I've done a few of them to kind of get out the bits of information to everyone. Let me know below if you have any suggestions on that. So thank you very much for watching. This is Dividend Doggo, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you for all the new subscribers, everyone who's liked, followed the channel, and comments on all the videos all the time. I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you all very soon for another video.